DJT Stock Analysis Tuesday and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. It's down 20.5%. I'm quite bullish myself, but before I get into the sauce and all this good stuff and the details, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything and just builds context behind my message. But like I said in the previous video, like I was only really going to be bullish if the price started giving me the rules. The double break you see never happened, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Um, the rules never were correct for me to begin with, for me to be bullish, and that's not wrong. I mean, I could be wrong with the directional buys, but I never really took a trade there for me. So that's really I'm just chilling. Again, I'm still waiting for those double breaks to occur for me to really be bullish in this demand area as well. But yeah, like the only way that I will really capitalize on this upside movement, and if there is one, is if the price gives me those double breaks. Just from testing a strategy for 4 years and not close to 20,000 predictions. So, I've documented all of them. So, not financial advice, only for entertainment purposes. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.